making me looking nervous. And I guess it was your purpose to knock me in. Don't you think that you be yourself? But then I get a bit high. You love it. You play around. And now you're clean inside. You love it. You love it. You fucked around. And now you want me back. Now you do this shit. Got a couple eyes. I cheer for me, I mean I got a couple guys. You were put yourself in my sword in your eyes. And I guess it was my fault cause I put up in disguise. If I was happy and home was scrappy, like every night you just smoking and laughing, making up to break up. I thought that she was love, but you wasn't under the highway, stuck in the swords. Crying on the press, not again, you never catch me. Push you on the star, that's some brother, come and bless me. I try to save it, all you ever do is stress me. Pushing on the bonus, what the fuck my cheers stress me, brother? Get a life, go away from the wife. Cook on my face before going from the knife. And just you calling my phone, trying to act polite. Asking me for the rejection, not that shit is right. You hide it, you love it. You played around, and now you're getting inside. You hide it, you love it. You fucked around, and now you want me back.